Do you feel stuck with stubborn fat that just won't go away? You've tried dieting, running, maybe even skipping meals, but the fat still clings on.
I get it. It's frustrating. But here's the truth. In just 30 minutes a day, you can torch calories, boost your metabolism,
And reshape your body, all from home. Today, I'll guide you through a fat-burning workout designed to strip away belly fat, sculpt lean muscle, and skyrocket your confidence. No fancy equipment, no gym membership, just your body, your willpower, and this video. Your goal today is simple. Survive 30 minutes with me. By the end, your heart rate will be up, fat will be melting, and you'll feel stronger than ever. Most people quit because workouts feel boring, too long, or just impossible to stick with. That's why fat stays right where it is. But not today. You'll push past excuses, sweat through each move, and finally feel what real progress tastes like. This is a 5-set fat burn circuit. Each exercise runs for 45 seconds, with just 15 seconds rest. After 5 moves, you'll earn a 1-minute break. Then, back at it. Sounds tough? Good, that's how change happens. Start with the bear walk. Stay low, crawl forward and back, keeping your abs tight. This move fires up your shoulders, core, and legs all at once. Next up, glute bridges. Lie down, push through your heels, and lift your hips. Squeeze your glutes at the top. This not only burns fat, but also shapes your lower body. Step forward into lunges, one leg at a time. Keep your chest high and core braced. Feel your legs ignite as you torch calories. Drop into plank and drive your knees fast, mountain climbers. This is cardio and abs combined, shredding belly fat. Now bicycle kicks. Hands behind your head, legs cycling in the air. Twist your torso, fire your obliques, and keep breathing. Almost there. Don't quit now. The last 60 seconds decide whether today is just another workout or the day you take control of your body. Push through. This pain is temporary. The results? Life-changing. That's it. You made it through. If you're serious about burning fat and building strength, repeat this workout 3 times a week. Your transformation starts here. Drop a comment below with the word "done" when you finish. I'll personally cheer you on. And don't stop here. Tap the next video on your screen to keep leveling up your fitness. Remember, your body is your greatest investment. Treat it like gold.
Hey,